All right, YouTube, check it out, man. We got a package in. I don't know if y'all can see the package due to the glare and the lighting, but we got a package in from Suprent Pro. We got the new Mecha hair clipper. You already know your boy's been using it for a couple days. But what we're gonna do in this video, we're gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about this clipper. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like this video. Subscribe if you're new, man. We're trying to grow them subscribers. So subscribe if you be watching my videos, but you ain't really subscribed yet. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button one time for your boy. Comment down below, share with one of your friends, you know, all that good stuff. But like I said, man, we got the new Suprent Pro clipper, the Mecha right here, right? And just so y'all know, I'm gonna go ahead and start off the video by saying this clipper is on Amazon right now. I got it put up on my computer screen, $79.99. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description. So if y'all do want to get this, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down in the description. I can't even speak right, but we're gonna put the link down in the description for y'all if y'all do want to get this clipper, the Suprent Pro Mecha. And not just this clipper, anything you want to get off Suprent Pro, you can go click that Amazon link and then navigate your way around what you're trying to get. But once again, here's the box for the Mecha. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, check it out. So this is the box. As you can see, it says Beyond Master right here. We got the Mecha down here. But let's go ahead and open this thing up, man. I know that's why y'all clicked on this video. So we're gonna open that thing up. This is how the clipper comes in the package. We have this clear thing in front of the clipper. We're gonna open that up. As you can see, we got the clipper in this little plastic sleeve right here. So let's go ahead and get it out of there. And then as you can see, we do got a blade cover on the back, so let's go ahead and take that off. And once again, guys, just so y'all know, I have been using this clipper, so this isn't my first time getting a look at this clipper or unboxing it, but I wanted to put it back in the box for y'all. That way, you know, y'all can get an actual feel how it looks fresh out the box. But check it out, man. Once again, here is the Suprent Pro Mecha. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. As you can hear, it's got a nice hum to it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. We do got the little see-through face plate right here. We have how much charge, not charge time, but charge percent. So we're at 64%. I don't know if y'all can see that, but we got about 64% left, battery left in this clipper. Does come with a click lever. Clicks feel good on it. They don't feel too flimsy or too cheap. We got some nice clicks on there. We do get a taper blade. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I prefer fade blades, but this clipper does come with a taper blade. And before I start talking about that, I'm going to go ahead and just open up the rest of what's in this box and show you all this clipper before I start talking about the actual performance of this clipper. But as y'all can see, we got some grooves in the back for ergonomics. Nice ergonomic feeling clipper. We got the on and off switch on the side, as y'all can see. And then we have the charging port down here. All in all, man, looks nice, as you can see. To be completely honest with y'all, it kind of reminds me of the Stylecraft, what was the name of that clipper? Not the Instinct, man, what was the name of that clipper? Oh, the Mythic, the Stylecraft Mythic. Kind of reminds me of the Stylecraft Mythic, just a little slimmer, not as bulky. But y'all check that out once again, man. It's actually a nice looking clipper. But let's go ahead and see what else comes in this box. So we're gonna take this piece off, and then we do get the accessories and the charging dock down here. So we're gonna take out the charging dock first. I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't even take out the charging dock. I just been using it fresh out the box. But here is the charging dock. This is where you would obviously place the clipper in right there and just let it sit. Charging dock does have the Suprent Pro branding right here, as y'all can see. But all in all, man, it's a pretty basic charging dock, nothing too crazy about it. You just place the clipper on the charging dock. Obviously, it'll charge. We have the charging port back here that you would connect the charger to make sure that there's getting power to the charging dock. But let's go ahead and take the accessories box out of the main box and see what comes in here. All right, so we open it up. First thing I see is we get some oil. You know, you got to make sure you oil up your clippers before you actually start to use them. We do get this brush that I guarantee you 99% of barbers don't even use, at least not on the clipper. They're going to use it for enhancements or something. We get some guards, so they do have some guards in there. They kind of remind me of the Wall Premium guards, just like their last clipper. You know, their last clipper had some guards that kind of look like the Wall Premium guards. But check it out, that's them once again. All right, so we got some guards in there. We're gonna see what guards we got in a minute. And then we also get this little Suprent Pro card. And then we get a little manual, I guess, for the Mecha clipper, but you already know we ain't gonna read that. And then we do get the charging cord. It is, what is it? So this is the spot this is the part that you put into the clipper or the charging dock, and then you will just connect this to a charging brick. You don't get a charging brick in there, but most of us have a bunch of charging bricks. But let's go ahead and look at these guards again, see what sizes we get, just in case y'all are interested. And once again, guys, if you do want to purchase this clipper, I have the link down in the description, so y'all can click on that. But we're gonna open up these guards real quick. So this one's got a number 1 guard, a number 2 guard, a number 4 guard, and a number 8 guard. I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. I've been needing a number 8 guard because mine broke. So I've been needing a number 8. But we get that in one package, and then we're gonna open up these other guards. And then in the other package, we do get the half guard, which looks a lot like the wall half guard. But that's good, you know, a lot of people like the wall half guard. So we get that. We get the 1.5 guard, as y'all can see. We get the 3 guard, and then we get the 6 guard. So you don't get a 5 or a 7, but to be honest, I don't even use a 5 or a 7 unless a client wants a number 5 on top. Honestly, I go from a 6 to a 4. But that's basically all that comes in the box. As you can see, that's the box for the accessories. There ain't nothing else in there. So that's basically what comes in the box. So let's go ahead and start talking about this clipper, what I like and don't like about this tool. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all once again. I like the hum of this clipper. The hum is nice. Kind of quiet hum, not too quiet though, but not super loud either. Just so y'all know, it is a brushless motor. It has about 7,800 RPMs in here. As you can see, we do get a DLC taper blade. At least I think it's a taper. To me, it looks like a taper blade. I don't know. I'm reading the online that says a fade blade, but it looks more like a taper blade to me. But I guess, you know, whatever you think it is what it is, but it is a taper blade on there. Once again, we do have the click lever, and like I said earlier, the clicks aren't bad. They have a nice clicking sound to them. The click lever doesn't feel too flimsy, and that's something that I'm big on. Like, I like my levers to feel like nice. I don't like when you like open it up one notch and it's like shaking in between, you know, both notches. I like it for it to be at that notch and it's good. But anyways, nonetheless, we do have some ergonomic thumb grips in the back, as you can see. So all in all, man, nice clipper. Honestly, I do like the ergonomics of the clipper. It did feel comfortable in hand when I was using it. It's not too heavy nor too light. I wouldn't know exactly what to compare it to. I'm probably maybe like, it's lighter than the Babyless Low Pros. At least it feels lighter than the Babyless Low Pros, the original ones, but it could be a little heavier. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, that's the Suprent Pro Mecha clipper. But let's go ahead and move on to talking about the performance of this clipper. Now, when I was using this clipper, I did have a client where he had a lot of, I turned the clipper on. He did have a lot of hair on top, and as I was going over the top, I noticed that it wasn't getting all the hair down. Like, there was a bunch of little hairs like sticking up. So for debulking, it wasn't the best performance, right? But that's not to say it's not a good clipper. I'm just saying, for as far as performance-wise on debulking, it didn't do the best. There's clippers that do a better job. But I also have to take in consideration that this clipper is only $79.99. So it's not nowhere near these $180, $250 clipper. So for $79.99, it did the job. You know what I'm saying? It did debulk the hair. I just had to go over it a little more times than I would with my other clippers. But like I said, that doesn't make this a bad clipper, because I was putting out some fire products with this clipper. But for fading, I really enjoyed it for fading. At least I did. You know, like, it was real easy for me to blend my client's hair. But that may be your boy. That may have nothing to do with this clipper. But it might. I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? But as far as fading wise, it worked good. The clicks on there are, you know, they're pretty traditional with the style clicks that most clippers have nowadays. So it really wasn't an issue. You know, like I've said previously in previous videos, it's not necessarily about the clipper, but about the barber and how he learns how to use his tools. And I can adapt really quick. And I like the way it faded. Once again, for debulking, it wasn't the best, at least in my opinion, but it did get the job done. But for fading, works really well for fading. I did bald out with it. I did set in some bald lines with it, and it worked good for that also. It was just when clients had a lot of hair, it was a little difficult for us to take down that hair. Now, even though I say it was difficult, you didn't feel it in the clipper. It still felt that it was just, you know, cutting the bulk down. However, when you were looking at the top of the client's hair, you could see a couple stragglers here and there. You can see that it really wasn't, you know, getting it all down to that length that I was trying to get it down to. But all in all, man, I would say this is actually a good buy. For 80 bucks, you know, you get the clipper, you get the charging stand, you get a charging dock, you get guards with it, some oil. So I don't really think you can beat a good deal like this. That's just me personally giving y'all my opinion. Like I said, I like the ergonomics of it, like the way it feels in the hand. It feels top tier. Like, the casing on it looks nice. The internal on it looks nice, as y'all can see there. It's got a nice presentation to it, you know. And performance-wise, I just can't rate it like a top-tier clipper due to it not debulking the best. But I would still give it like a solid 7, and that's still pretty good, because it's hard to get like a 10 out of 10, right? So for me, rating it a solid 7, man, I'd say it's a cop. For $79.99, you really can't beat that. And once again, I will have the link down in the description if y'all want to purchase this tool. But all in all, man, I did enjoy using it. Like the ergonomics of it. Like the way it blended. Wasn't the biggest fan of debulking with it, but like I said, blending with it worked really good. And I like the way that it actually made my fades look. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. Once again, if y'all do want to purchase the new Mecha from Suprent Suprent Pro. You can click the link down in my description. I'm gonna have a direct link to it, and then you can actually look through their catalog and see what else they have. And if y'all want to purchase it, go right ahead. But yeah, man, that's basically all I had to say on this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.